SG900S. The 4-axis drone uses GPS-precise positioning system equipped with high-precision gyroscope, and positioning is more precise. When switching to headless mode, flight will be more arbitrary. The drone has a constant air pressure and stabilizes high-definition image transmission, real-time capture every moment, wonderful moment. Take off from one key to one touch and let you control every detail. Intelligent following function, liberating your hands. 360-degree interest points around. Easy to shoot to cool blockbuster. Waypoint flight. When you click somewhere, it will fly to where. No need to worry about the control course. Low power return is safer, and one-button return is more convenient. Matters need attention. Presentation of the product. Product list display. Preparation before flight. 1. Turn on the switch of the drone and start the drone. Open the switch of the drone control, and the drone will send out a drop, indicating the success of frequency alignment. 2. Long press the speed button on the remote control for 5 seconds, and the drop sound of the remote control indicates that the gyroscope calibration is completed. Then release the remote control. 3. Long press the camera button on the remote control after 5 seconds. Form 1 of D on the remote control. Then loosen the remote control. At this point, the drone 4 lights appear flashing at the same time. Put the drone along the horizontal plane intact, and then in the clockwise direction. The craft level 3 turns. At this time, the remote control emits a D. Then to drone along the vertical direction, the drone's camera down. Then 3 turns clockwise direction. At this point, the remote control will once again issue a D sound. The lights of the drone into normal state of flashing. It means the geomagnetic calibration is completed. And then put the drone on the flat ground, waiting for GPS signals. 4. Start searching for GPS signals. When the search is complete, the remote control will automatically emit a D sound. At this time, the light of the drone turns into long light, indicating that the search GPS has been completed. The drone can unlock and take off, and the search time of GPS is about 60 seconds. UAV unlocking. The left and right remote poles of the remote controller are pulled outward or inward at the same time. At this time, the 4 blaze remote at the same time, and the lock is unlocked successfully. Basic manipulation. 1 key takeoff. 1 key landing. Ascending. Descending. Left turning. Right turning. Forward. Backward. Left flying. Right flying. Double gear switching. Headless mode. Low power return. When the 4 lights at the bottom of the drone start to flicker, indicating that the drone is not enough power, the drone will return automatically. When the remote control signal and the drone are disconnected, the drone will automatically return. 1 key return. Press the key to return. Remote control will emit DD sound. The drone at a minimum altitude of 10 meters or so to return to the takeoff point. In the process of return, if encounter obstacles, you can use remote control drone to avoid obstacles. Connect Wi-Fi. Scan the QR code on the instruction to download and install the software. Apple system scans iOS QR code. Android scans Google QR code. Enter the mobile phone setting options. Open the wireless network, search for the device, connect. Connect successfully. Exit the settings options. Open the app. Enter the app. Photo recording function. Photo key, short press photo. Video key, short press video. Trajectory flight. Enter the app interface. Click on the trajectory flight icon. First, enlarge the map. Draw the trajectory point. Click on the send icon. The drone will start from the initial point to the first point of the trajectory, and then in order to fly point by point. Intelligent follow. Click on the intelligent following icon. The drone to the current location to the operator's mobile phone distance as a benchmark for intelligent following. Interest the points around. First, enlarge the map. Click on the surround icon. Set the surround center point, set surround parameters, and then click on the send icon. The drone will fly to the center point to set the parameters for the surround flight. Finally, when the drone lands, it needs to pull out the battery to prevent battery damage. Drone blade installation. Remove the wing blade cap. Screw out the screw. Remove the wing blade. Replace the corresponding A-B wing blade. Screw up the screw. Cover the wing blade cap. Complete installation of the wing blade. Battery replacement and charging. After the battery is removed, the battery is loaded obliquely. After the battery is installed, the button automatically jumps to the front and makes a click sound. Remove the 7.4 volts USB charging wire. Connect the battery socket with a changing hat. Plug the USB terminal to the USB power adapter. Charge the battery. During the charging, the red indicator light will light up, and the green indicator light is flashing. When it is fully charged, the red indicator light and the green indicator light will light up at the same time. The charging time is about 120 minutes. Remote control charging. Remove the 4.2 volts USB charging line. Insert the charging socket and insert the USB terminal to the USB power adapter. When charging, the USB indicator lights on, and when full, the USB indicator lights off.